Hey, welcome back, tubers. So what's going on today? I got the Tundra, got a wheelbarrow full of tools, and what do we got over here? A couple of brake drums. Two hands, I'll be able to pop that right free. But the other side is fairly loose. And at this point, what I've got to do, and I don't even have an adjuster with me, is I'll slip on the new one and see how tight it fits, and then I'll adjust right through here. Ugh. Wow, this is pretty. Now these even have threaded holes, so you can back these things off if they get really stuck because you were stupid. Wow, this sucker here fits like super tight right here. No adjustment at all needed. Yeah, really, none. That thing is so tight, it's ridiculous. I don't have the truck in neutral. Which I need to made it back. Yeah, this one about came off right easy, just whoosh. See, nothing. So I'm not going to put the anti-seize on until after I've had it on and off it a few times that it might need. Yeah, this one seems a little loose. So I'm just expanding it out a little. Well, I'm getting ready to slap the wheels back on. I hit the drums with white primer because I had it hanging around the house. And I also cleaned out all of the mud buildup in the little bump stop spots. But again, everything's solid, not even surface rust. And of course, the same thing on the other side. And I will be dabbing a little anti-seize in the correct spots so that I don't have problems taking it apart later. Well, truck's done. And the biggest problem I had was getting the emergency brake adjusted. I double checked my homemade repair there with the zip ties. But when I changed everything out, I just really couldn't get the brakes to adjust tight. And what I found out was I've got to disconnect the cable at both ends, back off the adjusting screw, do your brakes tight. Then you can connect the cable and adjust the cable. Now, before you adjust the cable, pull on those little the little brackets that you're clipping into. If they really feel like they're moving a lot, that's when you use that tensioner screw and tighten things down, because that's pulling the cable at the bottom that starts the whole depression and pull on your brake shoes. Look, there's better videos than me. I struggled all afternoon to learn that. Anyways, it looks like it's here. It actually works. Emergency brake is holding on a hill. So another successful repair. And I got to tell you, this one probably was unnecessary. There was nothing wrong with the drums or the shoes other than they needed to be adjusted. And so probably I wasted, well, 35 bucks a wheel, 70 bucks throwing some new drums onto this thing. And I'm still pulling the Michael Jackson by running the spare tire, and I'm not changing the rim. I got a brand new tire on the good rim right here. When these wear out, that one will go back in service. That's the video. If you watched this video to the end and you followed my channel, you might guess I'm an unhappy person with my government. And I'm recommending to everyone who's unhappy with the government, plain white paper. Display it on your car, display it in your windows. That's the way to protest today.